Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here, vacationing in New Hampshire, and I took a plane. I got the Slow Ultra Stick, one of my favorite planes, just a fun plane, easy to travel, doesn't take up too much room in the car. So it's been a while since I've flown this, so we'll take this up and see what we can do. All right guys, let's take her up. All right, starting a little low. A nice loop. Again, this is one of my favorite planes, guys. Take her in nice and slow. Watching out for the soccer field. Inverted for days, guys. All right. Oh. Take her in for a nice landing. Oh yeah. Get her back up. Low and slow. Yeah. All right. Do a nice loop. That wasn't a nice loop, but we'll take her high. Take her even higher. And we'll cut the sticks. Just like that, guys. All right, we're gonna take her in for a landing. All right, guys, there she is. The Slow Ultra Stick. Feels like it's